Hello. I'm back in the land of Canada. I went back home for a few weeks and had the best time ever. Honestly, I didn't want to come back. As you can probably hear in my voice, I have a little bit of a head cold. Or I had a head cold the past few days. But thankfully, I feel a lot better now. And it was so annoying because I never ever get colds. So getting that the second I arrived home, I had a fun time. I've lived in Canada for like 8 years. And I think I've had a cold 3 times. Including this one. I don't know, I just never get them. So they're the world's most annoying thing when I do. But Guerlain are doing an afternoon tea in Holt's Cafe. So I'm gonna head down for a little afternoon tea date. Oh, I'm so excited. I love afternoon tea. I'm just putting a bit of bronzer on my eyes. I don't really want to wear like a lot of makeup today, but I need a bit of something. Oh, for fuck's sake. This mascara, by the way, this is the Guerlain mascara. The best. So good. Makes your lashes so full and long. But yeah, I had the best time ever at home. My sister was home as well. She lives in Australia and she's 2 boys. So just hanging out with everybody at home, and it was just the best. I just really missed Irish people. I forgot how just nice and friendly everybody is, and just chatty, and just, I miss that. That's probably the one thing that I missed the most. I didn't realise how much I missed that until I went back. I'm gonna go in with my Guerlain, the terracotta light bronzing powder. This is the medium warm, has the peachy tone to it. These Rare Beauty blushes are my absolute favourite. This is the shade Virtue. I just love them. I think I'm gonna wear this little slip dress. It was my mom's. It's probably like 20 something years old. Probably more than 20 years old. Old anyway. It was from St. Bernard, which I think was Dunn's. My Irish people will know. I think it was Dunn's. It's very see-through on the boobies. But I'm gonna layer it with another bra. And I have little nipple covers, just in case. I mean, I don't want to be flashing the nips. That looks alright actually. I didn't put the nipple covers on, but I don't think I need them. Putting a little anklet on. I always forget to put these on. A little watch on. And my rings. I'm still hanging on. This is how much is left. I do have another full one though, but I'm using every last ounce of that lipstick. The Too Faced Doll Face, by the way. Wear it every day. I wear it in every single makeup look that I do. And that is the Dior lip oil. Which perfume will I wear? Will I go with this? One with the Kayali, The Wedding. It smells so nice. Mmm, yummy. Mmm. I just got home and that was very cute afternoon tea with Guerlain, and it was so nice to catch up with my friend because we basically have been apart for the whole summer because she was away traveling and visiting back home, and then She came back the day before I left, so we never really got to hang out until now, till I came back. So it was so nice. We needed a good old catch up. We went for a little walk along the seawall afterwards, and I have some packages that I got while I was away, so I might open some of them. I don't really ever do unboxings, but maybe I will today because I have a handful. So maybe we will do that, and we'll see what's new and what's good. Hello. You're such a cute little boy. You're a cute little boy. You're so cute. You're so cute. This is the Hydra Kate serum and moisturizer from Kate Somerville. I really like Kate Somerville skincare, so I'm excited to try these. I don't think I've tried them before. By the way, I cut my finger this morning when I was making a curry. I'm gonna recycle as I go to make things easier for me. These are really cute. This is from Dose of Colors. Okay, I don't know how I got on the Zoe Skin Health PR, but I'm very happy about this. I love this brand. Ooh, lots of Lancome goodies. Got some juicy tubes, some more mascaras. This is such a good mascara, by the way. This is new, a refining, brightening pro solution. Some perfume and eyeliner. Thank you, Lancome. Everything in here. Ooh, some Charlotte Tilbury. This feels very heavy. My all-time favorite. My all-time favorite product, which I'll tell everybody that they need, is the Flawless Filter. It's a need. Okay, we need to talk about this hair care brand. Okay, this hair care brand is so good. It's so good. It's so good. It's so good. I met with one of the founders maybe 6 or 8 weeks ago, around that, and I have just been using their products since, and so good. This is my favorite product, and I'm so happy that they sent me another one because I have been using this every time I wash my hair. It is their Detangling Leave-In Conditioner. Okay, first off, smells incredible. My hair's quite fine, so some products that I use do tend to weigh my hair down. This does not. I mean, if I put too much in, it will, but you don't even need too much. Just once I comb my hair after I have a shower, I give it a couple of squirts around. Sometimes I put some in my hand, rub it through, and just rub it through my hair. So good, you need it. I had a small sample of this one, so I'm so glad that I have a big one. It is their shampoo and conditioner. Also so good. Thank you, Fable and Maine, for sending me all these goodies. SPF 40 from Ilia. Got some new products from Glowish and Huda Beauty. How cute is that? Ooh, brown, yes. Oh, I love it. This is the mascara that I spoke about earlier on. It now comes in brown. Oh, they're pretty shades. I just love their packaging. So chic. I have not received Fenty Beauty in a very long time. I didn't even think it was on their PR anymore. But here we go. And in here, I'm not going to open every single thing, but in here is a blue eyeliner, the How Many Carats highlighter, like a blue hued lip gloss, and then a cream blush. That's a cute little gift set. Same idea, but in orange. This color is delicious, delicious. I have been on the hunt for a color like this, so I hope when I put it on, it will be like that. I'll save it for a tutorial. This is Unhinged. That's beautiful. This is the shade Chili Mango. And we have a, looks like a brown eyeliner and then a gold highlighter. New mascara from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Ooh, another Lancome. Skincare. My mom is coming over in a few weeks, so I might keep that for her. I think she might like that. Some lashes from House of Lashes. Oh, these ones look cute. I'm not a big lash person anymore, or right now should I say, but these ones look kind of cute. What's in here? Got some night cream, some of their oil, and a day cream. I just know the packaging's going to be cute, so let's see. Comes with a little spatula. Oh, of course it's cute. It even has the little bee here. A package from Reebok. This is very exciting. I don't really wear platforms, but I am excited to style these up. These are kind of cute. They give me Spice Girl vibes. We have a helper. I'm gonna get in the box. What's your favorite? Got some new eyeliners from Melt. Oh, new mascara from Benefit. And their new Fanning and Volumizing Mascara. I need a nude palette. Oh, that's cute. Very mauvey. This is like a very nice transition from summer to autumn type of palette. Too Faced waterproof mascara and some lip injection gloss. And I also met with Dior when I came back, and they gave me loads of yummy lipsticks. So we have the Rouge Dior Forever. This is the shade Nude Soul, which is this like nice deep purple shade. So they have new liquid lipsticks out. Rouge Dior Forever Liquid. This is a glossy finish, not a matte finish. I still haven't even made my tea. But now I have to clean up this mess. My curry is currying in the kitchen, and I have that in a little while. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.